Today I will be showing you how to properly feed your upside-down jellyfish. In the home aquarium, the upside-down jellyfish receives food from two sources. The first source is the zooxanthellae that live inside their tentacles. Zooxanthellae is a photosynthetic algae that tends to live inside corals and jellyfish of various types. The upside-down jellyfish enjoys a high amount of light so that the zooxanthellae will grow successfully in their tentacles. This will provide some nutrients, but they do need a second source of food. The second source of food will be brine shrimp. You can buy a kit for raising live brine shrimp or buy frozen brine shrimp on our website. Either hatch your brine shrimp or thaw out a chunk. Place the shrimp in a dish. Take a pipette and use it to collect some brine shrimp. Here I have our dish of live brine shrimp and a pipette. You can also use a coral feeding pipette. I'm going to mix the brine shrimp around and take some brine shrimp up. To feed the upside down jellyfish, simply take your pipette and stick it down in the water, and then send all of the brine shrimp out into the water around the jellyfish. You do not want to feed the jellyfish directly, as the jellyfish will get used to having food presented to it. The brine shrimp will now swim around in the tank, and as they bump into the jellyfish, they will get caught and eaten. Watch your tank carefully for the next hour, and you will decide how much food you've given them. If you've overfed, there will be brine shrimp hanging around the tank for several hours to come. This is okay, as the jellyfish will eventually consume it. However, brine shrimp do produce waste in this hour, and it's best to try and track down the amount of proper feeding. After about an hour after feeding your upside down jellyfish, you may notice that several patches of dead brine shrimp have accumulated in the tank. To keep the water quality high, you can take a long feeding pipette and suck up any debris that you see in the tank, like so. Careful not to take any jellyfish up in the pipette. After feeding your upside down jellyfish, it's a good habit to take your pipettes and feeding tools and dip them in fresh water. This will help remove any saltwater bacteria or leftover jellyfish. Your upside down jellyfish should be quite happy and content after being fed. Thanks for watching.